Only when you're focused. But you're dark, dude. Or maybe it's because I'm wearing sunglasses.
Maybe we should take this outside.
This looks kind of better.
No, I'll just take it outside.
Try it.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing another nail vlog today. These are what my nails look like, just really trash. Okay, so pretty much getting my nails refilled to this color here.
I'm too shaky.
It's okay. This is a,
I mean, I'll do a better
job. It's okay, no, it's okay. We'll just film it when we get there. Sorry about that. We were like driving and I didn't know how to film this intro, but I'm just back to get my nails done. I'm doing a fill today. I'll tell you the color right now that I'm using because I got it at BeautyCon last year. It's by Tammy Taylor. It's the Jelligance beauty vlogger. This is like a color that she made for the event. So I'm using this today to get my nails done, but I'm trying to grow out my natural nails now and become like a natural woman. So here's how long they've become, but I will show you the before and after.
Alright, so let's get started. So I went to Buff and Tweeze this day to get my gel nails done because Vivian wasn't available the day that I needed to get them done. I'm using the Tammy Taylor Beauty Vlogger Gel Nail Polish. The first service I got done was gel removal, and some of the places that you go to, they will charge you for this. Other places are different, but pretty much you buff away with a nail file with your top layer of the gel polish that you had on previously. I had put it in neutral by OPI on my nails previously, and they had grown out a lot, as you can see in the clips. So the next step in the gel removal process, you're probably all familiar with this if you've done this before. You use a piece of aluminum and then cotton ball, and you douse it in acetone, and this just like loosens up the gel manicure that you had on previously. You leave it wrapped for about 5 minutes or so, and this just allows the gel polish to just come off really easily after a couple of minutes, and then you just buff away at the nail or you scrape the residue. This nail tech was super gentle with my nails. That was really nice of her, and when she was scraping it, I've never seen this method before, but she scraped it like she was cutting away fruit or something like that, and it was really safe. I mean, my nails didn't hurt or anything like that. It didn't cause me any pain. So if you see this when your nail tech is doing this, don't be afraid or anything like that. And then she just buffed away with a nail file, and then she asked me what shape I wanted. I prefer square shape nails and with a little bit rounded of an edge, not too much. So then she goes in and files my nails to that shape that I wanted. She buffed away with a really soft buffing block. You've probably all seen like these kinds of square blocks before. And it's really soft, very gentle. She just removed away a lot of like the dead skin and things like that, and just like the lifted parts of my nail bed. And then I just soak them in warm water, repeating the process on the other hand, and then obviously soaking the other hand in warm water as well. And then the second service that I got was the gel manicure, obviously. So the pre-gel manicure application steps are, I said service 2A. You pour cuticle solution obviously on your cuticles. This loosens your cuticles up, and then I got my cuticles pushed back. The reason people do this, I think, is not only to make the manicure look really good, but also to push your nail beds back and make them look extra long. And then she scraped any of the dirt and excess, like whatever was underneath my nails. She clipped away at the cuticles, and I get scared at this part. It just really makes me nervous, so I do tense up a little bit. But just make sure that they're not going too fast, and if they are, just let them know like, hey, do you mind slowing down? This part just makes me a little nervous. So now my nails are super clean. I love the shape of them, and they're just so beautiful. And just make sure you're happy with the shape. There was one nail that was slightly crooked, and I asked her if she can refile them. She was a little annoyed, but she said that was fine. And then I repeated the same steps on the other hand, and then just wiped the tops off with alcohol. They look so clean. I love the shape of my nails. And then service 2B is the actual gel nail application. So you start off with a gel base coat, base polish, and then you just cure that in the light for 30 to 60 seconds. And then you apply the actual nail color. This is the Tammy Taylor Gel Polish in Beauty Vlogger, and this was a limited edition color for anyone who went to BeautyCon for 2017. I applied at least 3 layers of that, and then we did the top coat. I love the color of this polish, but the color got really nasty after a couple of days. So that's the hard thing about like these gel nails. It's like they get really gross after a while. But here's just like the completed look, and I do go back and go regularly. I'm thinking of doing a video of me doing it on my own, so if you're interested in that, please like this video. It doesn't look too hard. I'm just going to follow the same steps that you just watched, but she wipes off the residue from the gel polish after, and then obviously service 3 is a complimentary massage. Most places will do this if you get a gel manicure. This is my favorite part, and I just love it when they go all the way up to my elbows. Because that polish was limited edition, I did find one called Presto 14 that was really similar to the polish that I got. I don't know if this is specific to Buff and Tweeze, but that's the polish that I found was closest to it. Here's just a final look of the nails.
So I just got my nails done, and here's what they look like, and I'm out of focus. What's new? It's fine. So I went to Buff and Tweeze. I paid $30, $5 for tip. So I did use my own color, but I found one that was really similar here, so I'll put that in there. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to check out the description for all of the details, like where this place is and everything like that. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!